video, I'm going to show you how to fix a leak. If we have a leak right here. So I'm going to show you in the next steps. Okay, normally I use this tool, but you can use a socket wrench with a 3/4 on it. With it and an extension or something long, okay? I use this guy. It was already loose, I'm just showing you how to take it out. If I have a leak right here and it might be a little loose, this guy, this is the best way to tighten it up, with one of these or a pipe wrench. If anybody does plumbing in the family, or you may have to get a tool, have a tool like this. And you can use a hammer. I just use this guy. Tap it to where it's nice and tight. And then after that, check for any leaks. It doesn't have any. If they're still leaking, then the seals are having problems, and give me a call and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. Or send me a text message or hit me up on Instagram. Look me up as Stingray Tattoo. A little red table should pop up, and send me a message if you have a leak right here. If you don't, you can check it if it's got any more leaks. Hit the up button. And there's nothing leaking. And then this is how you fix a leak. If you have still a leak, call me at 775 or text me at 775-737-3174, or send me a message through Instagram at Stingray Tattoo. You should be able to see a little red table. Have a nice day. Place to check for leaks. Maybe once a year, once every 3 years. You can put a screw through something like a screwdriver. I just use this guy and give it a little extra. And it should be good now.